face, and to overcome that, you have to maintain a good diet. Till date, I have been able to maintain my weight. It has been... They want it with the mic. It's echoing. Okay. I don't know how this works because I think it's all echoing in here, but can you all hear me clearly? With the echo? Or do I need to go slow? Or should I hold it here? But then isn't that too loud? All right, okay. Thank you. Thanks for the heads up. Okay, so like I said, one of the challenges was the support that we need to kind of overcome the insecurities and the negative feelings that we have with the weight that we had on us. Second was the hair fall. Hair fall is something that's just part-time. It's not a permanent phase. It's just a temporary one, which is going to be overcome with a good diet and, of course, with the support of Dr. Goel and his team. The third challenge was the diet. I used to be the person who didn't want to tell too many people about the surgery. Though, no matter how many people came and told me, what have you done that you've become what you are? And I would refuse to tell people. And I would say, I'm doing a diet, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. But every time I had to go out with my friends, that was the challenge. Because we would go out for dinner, and everybody would look into my plate. सब मेरे प्लेट में देखते थे क्या खा रही है क्या नहीं खा रही है क्यों इतना थोड़ा खा रही है थोड़ा और खा ले because they did not know and it was my fault. So that was one of the challenges which I overcame over a period of time, and I did realize that if you tell the person that you've done this, there are very few who would want to kind of, you know, pick on any negatives, but they would rather support you. So today, if I'm out for dinner, most of my friends know that I've done this. They would never tell me, kha. They would never force me because they know that I can't go beyond a certain capacity. And seeing that kind of support and that kind of respect that comes from my friends who I did underestimate that they would not understand is great. So today, I maintain my diet. I do not really indulge in things that I know is not going to benefit my pouch. Now, the surgery has helped us maintain the appetite. It controls your appetite, but to control the quality of the food is your duty. It's something that you have to take care of. The surgery cannot take care of that. So it's very important to understand that we do not need to take this surgery for granted. And it's very important for the family to support and understand that it's not something that you need to take for granted, and you should help the person who's done the surgery in a certain way that the results are 100%. Because that person has taken this decision, and it's not an easy decision, let me tell you all. Some of us have taken it alone, some of us have taken it with help of family and friends. So it would be nice if everyone can support that decision and cater to it and nourish it. All right? So enough about myself. We'll come back to asking questions if you all have any. We'll move on with the agenda for the day with introducing one of my favorite women here is Dr. Madhu, of course. She is one of the few bariatric physicians to have been invited as faculty at the National Conference of Bariatric Surgery in Egypt recently. So can we have a huge round of applause for her, please?
Yeah, okay. Shireen, where am I seeing my slides? Slides here? Okay. Hello. I am going to speak about the changes in body composition after surgery. आप लोग काफ़ी लोग नोवा में और हिंदुजा में अपना बॉडी कॉम्पोजिशन करवाते रहे हैं, तो मैं और कुछ चीज़ें आज उसके बारे में क्लैरिफाई करना चाहती हूँ। ये है कि जनरली हम लोग अपना वेट और बीएमआई फॉलो करते हैं सर्जरी के बाद में कि भाई मेरा 40 केजीज कम हो गया या मेरा 50 केजी कम हो गया है, लेकिन इसके अलावा भी 2-3 फैक्टर्स हैं जो और डेफिनेटली आपको अपनी हेल्थ के बारे में बताएंगे। ये है कि बॉडी में विसरल मास होता है, विसरल
Madhu,
फैट।
2 minutes. Let them put the slides.
Okay.
Shireen, slides, please. We are also webcasting this for patients outside Mumbai. So that was Mr. Avnish Kumar from Bangalore who is coordinating it.
शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं, चेंज हुई, चेंज तो बॉडी में विसरल फैट है, मसल मास है और बेसल मेटाबॉलिक रेट है। इन तीनों चीजों के बारे में आई वांट टू टॉक टुडे। नेक्स्ट, ये जो टमी के अंदर द फैट इनसाइड द एब्डोमेन विच इज द विसरल फैट, इट इज प्रेजेंट अराउंड द लिवर एंड इन द इंटेस्टिन, और ये एक्टिव फैट है। बिकॉज ऑफ विसरल फैट ओबीस पर्सन इज प्रोन टू many diseases like diabetes and PCOD। और ये विसरल फैट एकदम सर्जरी के एक आध महीने बाद ही कम हो जाता है, इसलिए डायबिटीज में और पीसीओडी में बहुत जल्दी इम्प्रूवमेंट दिखता है। और जो फैट स्किन के अंदर है दैट इज नॉट एक्टिव, वो कंपैरेटिवली पैसिव फैट है। नेक्स्ट, मसल मास बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि मसल मास इज इट 90% ऑफ द कैलोरीज विच वी कंज्यूम आर बर्न थ्रू मसल। तो मसल मास अगर आपके पास ज्यादा है बॉडी में, तो इवन इफ आपका कैलोरी कंजम्पशन ज्यादा है तो भी आप वेट गेन नहीं करेंगे। एंड मसल इज डेफिनेटली डेंस देन फैट, तो जिनकी बॉडी में मसल्स ज्यादा है वो लोग हमेशा दे विल लुक मोर टोन्ड, बिकॉज muscles are more firm. And to get a good muscle mass after surgery, you should have adequate proteins and you should do strength training. उसके लिए काफी पेशेंट्स बोलते हैं कि भाई हम वॉक कर रहे हैं, इज दैट सफिशिएंट? वॉकिंग में नॉट बी सफिशिएंट। ये है कि थोड़ा थोड़ा वेट ट्रेनिंग 1 मंथ के बाद अगर स्टार्ट कर देंगे तो योर मसल मास विल बी गुड। एंड ज्यादा मसल मास होने से लॉन्ग टर्म में यू कैन मेंटेन योर वेट। बेसल मेटाबॉलिक रेट वो है कि जब हम बिल्कुल रेस्ट पे हैं, कोई भी एक्टिविटी नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो 24 आवर्स में द मिनिमम कैलोरीज विच वी बर्न। तो अगर बेसल मेटाबॉलिक रेट हाई है तो आप ज्यादा कैलोरीज बर्न करोगे। एंड बेसल मेटाबॉलिक रेट कैन बी रेज्ड थ्रू एक्सरसाइज एंड फ्रीक्वेंट मील्स। तो डोंट हैव लॉन्ग गैप्स बिटवीन मील्स। सो नाउ हमेशा मतलब इंस्टेड ऑफ टॉकिंग ओनली अबाउट द वेट एंड BMI, we should also follow after surgery ke how is our muscle mass, how is the percent body fat and what is our BMR. तो अब आगे से we will talk more of these things which are more definite predictors of health. Thank you. आपको कुछ भी questions हैं?
Thank you, Dr. Madhu. Like she said, one of the main keys to weight loss is good exercise, and I think we should all take one form of exercise and be active to get the fantastic results that we are looking for. Now, this is the part where we recognize someone for the fantastic journey the person is going through gracefully. And I would like to call Dr. Parag. He's the CEO of Vocard Hospital. If you could just please join your hands together for him. We would like to call upon our patient, Bhumika Mehta. Bhumika? Where's Bhumika? Bhumika, come.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. भूमिका मेहता रेगुलरली एक्सरसाइज कर रही हैं, तो यू कैन. Dr. Parag, would you like to say?
So at the very outset, I think people like these are an inspiration to people like me who want to get onto the bandwagon of losing weight, but we just don't manage to. And then we have people like Dr. Goel here who are ever ready to support us in this endeavor. And I think wherever medically indicated and wherever we feel that we need that support, I think we should reach out. I'd just like to say a few words about the hospital. This building has been constructed and inaugurated just last year. We launched this hospital. हम आपके लिए यहाँ पे आए हैं. हमारे विजन में ऐसा है कि हमें कम्युनिटी को सर्व करना है. We have all specialities and we're a 350-bedded hospital. Right now, our major endeavor is to provide surgical care to patients and also to provide a lot of help to dengue patients because, as you know, the government is not able to cope well. We are here for the community. We are going to be here for time immemorial. And यदि आपको कुछ भी कभी भी सेवाओं की ज़रूरत हो, we're always here to help you. And as we say in Wokhart style, दिल से हम आपके लिए हैं. Anytime you need anything, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
मेरा नाम भूमिका मेहता है. 8 months हुए मेरी सर्जरी को और 8 months में आई लॉस्ट 45 kg और एक्सरसाइज मैंने 1 महीने के बाद जैसे डॉक्टर और उनकी टीम ने बोला वही हिसाब से ही एक्सरसाइज प्रोटीन शेक सब लिया था. नो प्रॉब्लम. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट मिला और टीम का भी पूरा सपोर्ट मिला है. तो रियली नाउ आई फील कि आई एम लिविंग माय ड्रीम लाइफ. रियली थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, Bhumika. All right. The next favorite person is Ms. Shefali Daria. She is our main backbone because she's the one who helps us be clear about our diet. She gives us most of the clarifications for all the questions that we have relating to whatever we put in our stomachs. To be very honest, I've troubled her so much with so many questions, it's not funny. She's got the experience of working in the US and she's with the Center for Metabolic Surgery for the last 3 years, and she's one of the people who is always available on the phone, no matter what day it is and no matter what time it is. And I would really encourage people to go up to her and ask questions if you have any clarifications about the food that you are supposed to eat and the kind of diet you're supposed to maintain post the surgery. So Shefali, can we please have you?
I need to hear you. I'm very happy to see you all. It's a Sunday morning and, you know, to come out of the house and setting the routine. As it is very short, can you all see me? Can you all see me? Can you hear me? Okay, can somebody raise the hand right at the back? Can you hear me? Okay, thank you. Okay, so yeah, first of all, let me welcome you all over here. And I'm so happy to see you all. And more than that happiness, we want from the entire team that you get some happiness from inside, from your side. That yes, we got the time out today, Sunday. We are here for at least a couple of hours and we have gained some information that is going to be useful to you in your regular diet. in your regular routine life. तो मैं थोड़ा हिंदी थोड़ा इंग्लिश, आई एम गोइंग टू मिक्स बोथ. अगर कुछ भी आपको क्वेश्चन है, कुछ भी डाउट है, तो यू कैन जस्ट नोट इट डाउन और यू कैन जस्ट रेज हैंड्स एंड देन वंस आई एम डन देन हम लोग वो क्लियर कर सकते हैं डाउट. ऑल्सो टुडे इन माई प्रेजेंटेशन आई हैव लॉट ऑफ टेबल्स एंड लिस्ट ऑफ फूड. तो अगर आप चाहे तो ऊपर जो स्क्रीन में देख रहे हैं पीपीटी, तो दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन टेक अ फोटो एंड कीप दैट एज अ गाइड. तो इट विल बी ईजियर for you for the routine preparation. So today let me tell you what I'm going to talk about. आज का टॉपिक थोड़ा हटके है. Usually what I do is कि आप ये खाओ वो खाओ. Yes, my topic is related to diet today indirectly. लेकिन पेशेंट को क्या होता है कि जब भी हम लोग कंसल्टिंग करते हैं, मैं बता देती हूँ कि आपको इस तरह से लेना है. फैमिली भी होती है वहाँ पे सुनने के लिए, वो भी समझती है. लेकिन जब भी हम घर जाते हैं नेक्स्ट डे, देन इट्स मॉर्निंग एंड वी हैव टू प्लान अ डाइट. दैट्स द मोस्ट स्ट्रगलिंग पार्ट. क्योंकि हमें एक बाजू एक तो फैमिली का प्रेपरेशन करना होता है और एक बाजू बेरियाट्रिक डाइट का प्रेपरेशन ध्यान में रखना होता है. तो ये थोड़ा सा तनाव आ जाता है उसमें. इट्स लाइक अ स्ट्रगल. सो आई एम गोना गो ऑन टू माय स्लाइड्स नाउ. सो इन ऑर्डर टू श्रेड दिस स्ट्रगल, कि बेरियाट्रिक पेशेंट को भी ऐसा ना लगे कि हमें कुछ अलग खाना है और सैक्रिफाइस करना है जो हमारी फैमिली खा रही है, और फैमिली को भी ऐसा ना लगे कि भाई हमारे जो फैमिली के जो पार्ट ऑफ आवर फैमिली हु हैज गॉन थ्रू दिस, उनको सैक्रिफाइस करना पड़ रहा है जो हम खा रहे हैं. तो व्हाई नॉट मेक अ बैलेंस ऑफ द डाइट दैट वन इज हैप्पी विथ. तो पेशेंट भी खुश और फैमिली भी खुश.